A couple of weeks ago, I've received, among other things, this fancy raincoat for my robotic arm aka Baco Junior from his manufacturer called Kinova. I've met Kinova for the first time in all those years at the Raincoat in Dusseldorf last September. Before I received it, I was a little skeptic about this raincoat, because in my opinion it looks like you can't move the arm while he's wearing it. That wouldn't motivate me to use it, but the surprisingly fact is that you can move it pretty well while wearing the coat, because it's a baggy fit. That's a huge benefit. A little tailoring of the raincoat was needed, as it didn't fit all the way over Baco Junior's shoulder, where the cables are located, because my arm rests on a support that is attached to the arm itself so the power can get off without Baco collapsing like he's Pinocchio. The raincoat has been adjusted so that there is an opening for this support, and now I'm finally able to protect Baco from the rain. There are elastic cords at the end and the beginning of the raincoat to let it fit well. I can't fasten the elastic cord at the fingers too much, because then Baco Jr. gets stuck with his wrist in its own raincoat while folding himself. That's probably just related to how the parking of your arm is programmed, so it probably won't be an issue for everybody. Mine is twisting itself like a ballerina when parking, but gets stuck when it's too tightened up, and that definitely does not improve the life of the raincoat. Baco Jr. has the benefit that his fingers are turned downwards when he's parked, so there won't be too much water that drips in when I'm driving through the rain or snow, from which I hope is coming soon. The fabric looks and feels very decent and matches ridiculously well with my own raincoat. It's really easy to put the raincoat on and off, because you just need to stretch the arm and pull it on like a snake skin. I'm happy to finally protect my BFF a little better, because the country I live in, the Netherlands, isn't really a tropical paradise at this time of the year. So thank you, Kinova. Are you also interested in a raincoat for your Jaco, or whatever you've named him? Then get in contact with Kinova.